Hey everyone, welcome back to Psycho Manipulator. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of manipulation techniques. Now, just to be clear, these insights aren't here for you to misuse, but to understand the tactics that people might use on you in everyday life. So let's jump into the first technique, the power of reciprocity. Reciprocity is one of the strongest principles of influence. When someone does something nice for you, you're more likely to want to return the favor. Skilled manipulators may offer small acts of kindness or favors to make you feel subtly obligated. Suddenly, they ask for something back, and you feel that pull to reciprocate. For example, think about times when someone bought you coffee unexpectedly, only to ask for a big favor the next day. This is classic reciprocity at play. The best way to counter this is to be aware of how small acts can influence our decisions. Appreciate the favor, but don't feel pressured to act on it. Mirroring. Mirroring is a subtle but powerful tactic, where a person copies the body language, speech, or tone of the person they're trying to influence. This creates a sense of connection and trust. You might not realize it, but you're more likely to open up to someone who mirrors you. For example, let's say you're having a conversation, and the other person is subtly copying your hand gestures or speech patterns. It might seem innocent, but it's actually a way to make you feel closer to them. Next time you notice mirroring, ask yourself if the person's intentions align with your best interests. Foot in the door technique. This one is really common. It's called the foot in the door technique. Here's how it works. Someone starts with a small request, something you're likely to agree with, and then once you're on board, they escalate to a bigger request. For example, maybe a friend first asks if you can lend them a couple of bucks, and then later asks if you can cover their meal. Be cautious when small requests start building up. If you sense it's leading to a larger favor, it might be the foot in the door technique at work. Gaslighting. Gaslighting is one of the more harmful techniques, where someone makes you question your reality. They may twist information or downplay your experiences, making you doubt your own memory or judgment. For example, imagine someone repeatedly saying, "I never said that," even though you're certain they did. It's a way to destabilize your confidence. Trust your gut and seek objective input if someone makes you question your own experiences or feelings. So there you have it. A quick look at some common manipulation tricks you might encounter. Remember, knowledge is power. The more aware you are of these tactics, the less likely you are to fall for them. If you found this interesting, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights. Thanks for watching Psycho Manipulator. Catch you in the next one.